Hey guys, my daughter's having a baby, so I want to make her a bassinet. The one you see here runs about $4 to $5, so let's see what I can do. So I chose this Wicker clothes basket from Walmart. It cost me about $13. And I got this utility cart on wheels so she can be mobile around the house with her baby. It's like $35. I have this beach towel. It's $5. I'm going to use this to hold the pillow in place, which is the mattress. Here's the pillow, which cost me $3. I also got zip ties that I needed to tie down the basket to the utility cart so there'll be no movement. So here's what it looks like so far. So now I'm going to show you movement with the basket. Here's the movement. So from this point, I'm going to show you what it looks like loaded with everything the baby needs. Here's everything. So the good part about this is, like, once the baby gets to a point where he can no longer use the bassinet, she can take everything apart and use it around the house.